Hi guys, I am Stardust and I am back with a new video. So today we are going to continue making some AI art. The reference picture is this one right here, and I will be trying to do some flat layers first, then some shading and highlights, and then some other background things. So this will be in this three steps. So let's just start and get into it real quick. So as you can see, I did some basic colors, and then I'm doing the outline, which is making a big difference on this. So I just added some dots over here, sprinkles, which will be the base of the highlights of white color, and the other rainbow color shading that is highlights that is shown here. Now I think I'm quite satisfied with this croissant. Now I'm gonna be doing this mug. So this is the final drawing of mine. I tried to copy AI. I think it's pretty good. And let's just rate it real quick. Was it hard? Yes, it was. But does it look like AI? Yes, it does. So it was hard, but I guess I could say medium it was. Okay, so this is the last drawing of the day. I'm going to be I decided to do this last one, so I'm going to be doing it. Yeah, it looks pretty easy, you know. Let's just start by doing base reddish color and then do the stem and the water below later on. So what I did here is I just made some background colors and then blurred them out, and now I'm going to outline the cherry and do some highlights on it. It's very simple actually. So this is my final cherry. I hope you guys like it. Oh, I think I forgot a shadow. Wait, I'll do that real quick. Just a minute. Okay, so this is the final result. Was it hard? No, it was pretty easy. And does it look like AI? I think it does. It looks pretty good. So this is the challenge. I hope you enjoyed this series. I think I will do one more of this kind, but we'll see. Um, until then, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.